Hi friends, welcome to Shree Gaming channel. Today I will bring one important topic in front of you. That is how to make 100 watts amplifier in home. It is quite easy, but the following electronic items are required and which are given in the description. This amplifier is made up of two transistors which are 2sa5200. This amplifier requires 12 volts.